Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia. I've got that double thick canvas. I think it was a 60 by 30, and I'm working with my lovely Montmartre paints. That one I pre-mixed. You will find all the instructions for mixing acrylic to make them fluid in the description below this video. It gives you links to videos, and it also gives you an explanation. So everything's there if you're a beginner or you just want to use my homemade, cheap and economical pouring medium and paints for your acrylic artwork. So I'm doing this one. Yes, I'm splitting the colours, so it'll be this lovely metallic gold that I'm doing the coat, so I don't want too much paint on there at this present time. And then the other half of the split is in my lovely purple. All these colours are Montmartre colours mixed with my normal pouring medium. If you want to find the paints and products or videos showing you beginners, they're all in the description box below. I don't leave no secrets out, I don't believe. So this one I'm going to sort of go freestyle on it. I kind of wanted to keep it minimalistic, but you know, whether it goes that way is a whole different thing when I'm pouring. So that is I think that was a very light lilac that I used there, but I'm going to do a band of colour and then continue on, and I'll jump in where I feel I need to explain to you. But yeah, I'm just putting a few of the lilac-y purple colours or different tones in that little pour cup, and you'll see how I work with this.
I try my best to move on, letting go. Tell me, should I know? Just tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you...
So just added all those colours to my pour cup, and just doing this band on the piece like this. So I will be doing some multi techniques in this one, but it was just sort of when I was doing it, I didn't talk. I just wanted to keep in the zone, as they say, and really basically just decide what I was doing as I went along. So what I'm sort of doing at the moment is putting the heat wand over it to bring up some cells, and then for my next stage I will let you see.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak, how to go on?
Yeah, I can really get carried away with this because I actually really enjoy doing it. So I think they sell a packet of those different kind of catalyst wedges with different ends on for different effects. I think those were by Montmartre, those ones. I've had them a while, but they were they give some different effects. You can go as far with this as you like, or just do a few wisps, but of course when it's enjoyable to do, you sort of do get carried away, and it gives a lovely effect in the acrylic paint, as you'll see. So we'll plod on.
I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just
Yeah, that's probably going a bit too far, Gilly. Stop. But anyway, my next stage is to blow the rest of that paint out the middle, soften it all up, and like I said, so you've got the chaos blow in there as well on top of that catalyst wedge to soften the edges up. So it is really nice just creating different techniques in one piece. It's very enjoyable. It's definitely good art therapy, especially while there's some craziness going on in the world. You've got to take yourself away from those negative influences and come and watch some art and be in the moment with me. Just make yourself a cuppa, sit down, put your feet up and enjoy, I say. So yeah, that was just adding a little bit of the cell activate paint, which was the Amsterdam white with Australian Floetrol, and doing those wispy bits, and it you'll see when it's up closer, they just create a lovely like lacy cell effect in there too. So yeah, this one is getting the whole treatment, isn't it? And I think on this particular day it was more for my art therapy than anything else, just to really get my mind off other things going on, negative things in the world. Just wanted to take myself away from it and do something that gives me joy. So watch on for these crazy antics that I get on to next.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see.
Super happy with this one. I love doing something a little bit different, creating different effects, and those catalyst wedges that I got from Montmartre just did the trick. Look at this, the lovely effect in there. Wanted to do the purple and gold on those little swipes, look. Just a few little balloon kisses, not too many, but look at the swipe, look at the detail in the swipes. That's something that doesn't show up on my camera when I'm filming. It doesn't show the detail in it that you see, you know, just looking at it with the naked eye. It's super gorgeous, super gorgeous. Look at this. See, that's a good photo in itself to have printed up as a large piece. I just wanted to add that bit of gold in the centre just because it'll look a bit different. So I hope you like this piece and you give it a try. Tell me what you think about it. I mean, you can take some of the ideas and use them and not all of them. It's remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. So all I want you to really do is enjoy the process as I do. Just love it, love it, love it. Very happy with that piece. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend, or if that isn't available to you, definitely a helpline. Okay, until next time, bye for now. I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know
I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two wells.